Hi all. So today we are going to discuss what is Perplexity AI, how is it different from ChatGPT, and how do you use it? So we are going to go through step-by-step process to maximize efficiency of Perplexity. Now, Perplexity AI, you can think of it as an AI-based search engine, um, something similar to what you get in Google Overview. So you type in a question, it will provide you certain answers. But in this, you can also select what kind of source you want. So you can select like whether it's a web based answer you want, or you want to go to maybe a Reddit related discussions, or you want to go through certain research papers. And the best part is it also provides you what are the different sources for the information it's providing you, so you know that whether this information is correct, or is there any hallucination involved. Now most of us have been using ChatGPT and we wonder, hey, why should I use Perplexity? Why can't I use ChatGPT? So let's look at it, so these two are kind of end of same spectrum. So when you use ChatGPT, it provides you answers, kind of most sometimes most creative and well thought answers. But it may have incorrect data also. It's not necessary that it gives you the right information. There might be some amount of hallucination involved. But when we use something like Perplexity, it provides you the sources, it goes through the data, and you use it when you want accuracy percentage to be high. When you're doing a research, or you can't be wrong in the data which you're presenting. So that's where you use this. But in a lot of creative kind of work, you can use ChatGPT.
Now let's check out how actually Perplexity works. So let's open it up. I've already signed up with this, and you can use a free account. I'm using same. So initially, when you sign up, you can use Google sign in, and it'll bring you to this page. And as you see, right, this is more of a kind of a search based. So ask anything. So you can put whatever you want to ask. So you can ask how to say build apps, right? Now one good few things you'll notice, like Google, it is providing you some of the additional things which you can add. Um, Now another thing you'll notice that all the you it provides you source of all the answers it is providing. So it has picked up something from article or a Reddit post, and it provides you answer in a kind of a bullet concise format, and then it asks you whether you want to go through the related articles or related questions you may have. So it kind of walks you through step by step. It's more guided. If you remember, in chat gpt, generally when you uh, ask a question, it doesn't provide you sources, and it also doesn't give you what are the related searches you can do. And here you can do a image search, video search, and on pro account you can generate a account sorry, you can generate an image also. Now once you have done search, right, you may want to come back to this if it is the same topic you're researching and you want to add more details to it. In this case, what you can do is you can uh, kind of use something which they call it a space, right? So you can add this whatever search we have done into space. All right, so it's a new space I'm creating. Let's call it how to build apps, and right. And for now, let's we can add some custom instructions also. For example, here, consider yourself as a expert fitness trainer. So when it's providing us answer, this prompt is added. You can keep adding more prompts if you want. And this is how we have created a space. So Now another thing which you can see is like, when you search. Okay, let's start a new search. Okay, another good option which Perplexity provides is this focus mode. So what it focus mode do is it can help you in selecting from where do you want to um, get the results. So for example, I want to get an title for this video, like, let's see what it says. Create title for video on topic Perplexity AI. Okay. And now when I'm creating a title, I want to reference social media, Um, Now, on other hand, if I was creating a research paper, I'm doing certain research, I can go through the academic papers also and provide the sources. But here, let's see, like, what kind of a social media related titles it can provide. Wow. So see, here it has provided some of the, engaging title suggestion, and I think I'm going to use one of them for this video. Let's discuss some more features of Perplexity. So they have this Discover tab, you know. So I think based on your search results, it'll provide you certain articles which you may be interested in, and like, you can go through these different categories. I feel this looks similar to Google News, uh, and like, if you have you can go through these things. So library is where, so some of the searches which we have done, it creates that. Spaces is like, as you remember, we created a space, and then you can keep building on it, make your research more authentic. Now, when you sign up for Perplexity, right, one thing which pops up is this, answers you can trust. And that's exactly what Perplexity is. So when you are doing your research, whether you are an academic student or you are a professional or you're a teacher, whatever be the case, if you want your answers to be perfect, you want to go with a tool like Perplexity, and it also provides you citation, and you can save your responses and improve them as you go. Another benefit of Perplexity is currently it doesn't have any ads. So when you are doing your research, right, for example, when you go to Google, it shows you a lot of ads. So, you can skip it. So I hope you found this video useful. If you want me to cover any other topic, then please drop in comments. Or if you want to go through other features or anything specific to Perplexity, then please let me know. And if you find it valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.